All have listened the story of tortoise and rabbit. This story tells about how a tortoise wins the race while competing with a rabbit, and why the rabbit loses the race with just a small tortoise. Know how fast, how quick a rabbit is, and how slow, how steady a tortoise is. But even though the tortoise wins the race, how? The question is how a tortoise can win the race while competing with a rabbit? And the answer is consistency, my dear. Consistency. When you get a work in your hand, when you have to complete an assignment, when you have to face a challenge, when you are doing a new work, if you think that I have to be winner in this work, assignment, task, then you can't be. Mark my words. You can't win the war if you think you have to win it. You can't complete assignment if you think that you have to be the topper in that. If you think that I have to complete this assignment, this is the deadline and I have to complete it, this is that. This is so simple as like this, then you will be. What is the main reason? What is the main reason of tortoise to win the war? It was consistency without any doubt. Tortoise knows that he can't win the race, but even though he tried, he never give up. He thinks of he don't think of winning the race. He thinks of participating in the race. He thinks of reaching to the destination, how much time it will take, but to complete the destination. Consistency. The reason behind the success, the winning of race with tortoise and rabbit is the consistency. You come out from the phase of number one, then you will be a pro in that work. When you don't think that I will be number one or not, but whatever I become, but I have to be satisfied with my work. I should complete that work, then you become a number one, because you don't think about to be number one. Grow in any field, any area, any discipline. The most important things are to be rigid and to be consistent. You fail, you not give up. You fail, you not give up. You try again. You have to be repetitive with this. Perfection don't comes with the first go. It comes with lots of failures, with lots of trying it. When you try hard, when you think that it can't be, when the word impossible comes in the dictionary of yours and you tells that dictionary that I don't understand this word, there is no meaning for this in my life, I don't believe in this word, then see, when you think, when you have a vision, when you dream, when you eat, when you are just surrounded with the aim, goal, the target of your life. If you are thinking, then it's the target. If you are sleeping, then you are dreaming about your target. When you are working, then you are thinking about your target. When you are talking to someone, then it is the target of your life. Then you reach to the destination of your goal. Then your life takes to that destination. All the surrounding, all the ways, all the direction, all the things makes it possible to make a bond between you and your goal. They make it possible to achieve this dream by you. They make it possible. That the thing is that you have to be rigid and consistent. So another thing which make it happen that you achieve your target, your goal in your life, always remember to have a plan A. Don't create a plan B in your life. When you get stuck to one thing, when you know this is my direction, this is my path, this is my way, this is my road, when you don't get divert, when you don't collides with another road, when you don't turn your direction, when you are steady on one direction with the rigidness, with the consistency, then you are going to make it happen. But by the time if you have a plan B and you think that if I can't do plan A, I will switch over to plan B, then you can't. I assure you, my dear, you can't make it happen. You have to be focused. You have to be focused on one thing. If you have a bouquet of things, bouquet of decisions, bouquet of aims and goals, then you can't make it possible. You have to be loyal. You have to be faithful. You have to be possessive. You have to diligent with one goal. There is one aim for you. You can't think that I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. You can't do anything. It is possible that you can't do anything, my dear. You have to believe in that. To be possessive towards one goal, one aim, one direction, one will. Then you are gonna make the history to show this, that what you are. You will show the world that how effective you are.